Hey all, welcome back. This is Moto Ramblings, and no, you did not click on the wrong link. I am just here to tell you that you are about to watch the fantastic, the amazing, the Weston Super Moto Vlogs. Enjoy the show.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. YouTube and motovlogging, monetization. It's not important to many people, but the way to get there kind of is. I'm going to put on the side of the screen here a quick flick through of my subscription list. These are motovloggers that I subscribe to, that I enjoy listening to, try my very best to comment and like videos as often as I can, but when you've got so many to watch, and I tend to watch them on the television and have to pick my mobile phone up to then lay a comment, it's not as easy as I would have liked to have let comments onto people's videos as much as I should, because I enjoy watching all the videos. But these guys and gals are all excellent motovloggers, great channels. Some of them don't subscribe to me, but many of them do, and that is a form of appreciation that the subscription is mutual, and it's also about growing. So most motovloggers will fall into two categories. There are the motovloggers that just enjoy doing it. They do it for themselves, they do it because they enjoy it and they want to do it. And then you've got motovloggers that do it because they want recognition. And that's not a bad thing, that's not a negative. That's what I mean to say is, it's nice to do stuff that you enjoy and be recognised for doing a good job of it. So that's what I mean by that. So what I try and do is, when I find a motovlogger that I enjoy, I'll subscribe, I'll keep my subscription. As you can see, I don't trim my subscription. This was actually recorded a couple of weeks back, so in actual fact my subscription list has grown already from there. If you subscribe to me and you don't see your name, let me know. I will surely sort that out. But no, it's about recognition. It's about recognition for doing a good job, doing a great job. And being appreciated for that. You know, the likes, the comments are great, they're the best things. The subscriptions. Now, as everyone knows that's into vlogging, motovlogging, YouTube of any kind, monetization on YouTube's changed a little while back, where now you have to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of viewed time in total on your channel, both of which are hard to get. But my theory is, if I keep following motovloggers, that one subscription will help them to get nearer the goal. Because we don't do it necessarily for the money, because there isn't any money in it, but it's just that recognition to say that, you know what, you have people that enjoy watching your channel. And I just want to end this very quick motovlog by saying to everyone who subscribes to my channel, I appreciate the fact that you come and visit me to see a little part of my life, whether it's good or bad, for a short period of time, and you're awesome. And the ones that comment, leave likes, you are just the cherry on the cake. You really are. So thanks very much, guys. Keep watching, keep motovlogging, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you up on the flip side.